Hi everybody, Super K here. Today, there's a gale force wind warning in the Strait of Georgia, so my friend Mark and I took a ferry to Bowen Island and drove to Tunstall Bay to launch our kayaks and play in some big waves. Let's see how it goes. As always, if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I can already see that it's gonna be a wild ride once we get out of the bay. I hope you can enjoy the ride with me. Do you see all the white water splashing against the rocks? That means it's gonna be a bumpy ride. To be honest, I used to be terrified of this kind of water, but now I can get enough of it. In my mind, this is what sea kayaking is all about. When I'm in precarious positions in rough waters that I used to be fearful of, I feel an immense sense of gratitude to my mentor, Mark, for believing in me when I didn't believe in myself. His faith in my ability to improve my skills always makes me think of this song, Believer, by Imagine Dragons.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. speaking to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You make me a believer, believer. You make me a believer, believer. Let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my drive, it came from. You make me a believer, believer. Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the ground, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like. You make me a believer, believer. You make me a believer, believer. Let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my drive, it came from. You make me a believer, believer. Last things last, by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like. You make me a believer, believer. You make me a believer, believer. Let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my drive, it came from. You make me a believer, believer.
My prediction is right. As you can see, it's a super fun day of paddling. The wind is blowing in the westerly direction, which is towards the shore. So Mark and I are going to do some surfing now to test the waters to see how the surfing conditions are. In surfing, timing is everything, and that's just something that I'm working on perfecting. It's a learning curve for sure, and I'm enjoying the ride. After surfing, I'm doing some rock gardening, which is something I'm more familiar with than surfing. Rock gardening is a great way to practice situational awareness and board control in real time. Plus, it is absolutely fun. Now it's time to head back to the bay to finish this fun day of paddling. These kinds of paddling conditions with the gale force winds are rare, and I'm so happy that Mark and I were able to harness some of this energy on the water. Riding these kinds of waves speaks to me on a primal level, making me feel alive and confirming to me that I am living my life to the absolute fullest. Let me finish this video with a song that truly speaks to this feeling. It's My Life by Bon Jovi.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted. A silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never.
I truly hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.